Activity. Have a look at the function. Load assignment 1 data from assignment 1, blah, blah, blah. Figure out how it works. Download the CSV to your computer. Okay, done. Write a function called load airports that loads the CSV into a list. Play with this list a bit and get a feel for how it works. Okay, good. And then let's have a quick look at the other activity. Write a function get name from code that's going to take an airport code and the list of airports. It returns a string containing the full name of the airport based on the airport code. Okay, cool. So let's switch on over to our script and interpreter, which I already have in the proper locations. First thing first, let's import CSV. Okay. And I'm going to ls here just to show that I've actually got airport CSV in the working directory. So that's all good. And yeah, so let's write a function called def load airports. Okay. And in here, I guess I'll do like in data equals csv.reader, open, and then airports. airports.csv. And we're going to open it in the read setting. Good stuff. And then locations. Or no, let's call it airports. Makes sense. Equals an empty list. Oh, not a dictionary, a list. And then for each line in data, airports.append, the whole list. Okay, and then when we're done, return airports. So if I call run 10.3, okay, and load airports, okay, good. It seems to work. It seems to work pretty good, actually. Awesome. So let's assign that to something in the script. So the airports equals load. There we go. If I rerun the script, so the airports there. Okay, good stuff. Now, we also were going to write a function called, what was it called? I'm going to go quickly check again. Get name from codes. Okay, I'm just going to copy this because I'm going to be a little lazy. Okay, let's write another script. Def. Okay. And so now, given an airport code, we need to look through our list of airports and then return the actual whole name of it. So this is easy. Just for each airport, check if it's the airport code, and if it is, return the full name. So for A in airport list, if A at location 0, because that'll be the 0 index, that's the column of the codes. If that's equal to airport code, return A at location 1, because so 0 is the code and 1 is the full name of the airport. And yeah, I guess that's it. So let's load up our script again. And now if I say get name from code, I'm going to give it YYZ, Toronto, and I'm going to give it the airports, and fingers crossed, Lester B. Pearson. Good, it worked. Now here's the thing. We did this with a list. If we change load airport to load the data into a dictionary, this will speed up quite a bit. So I'm actually going to change airports here to a dictionary. And then I'm going to say airports at location at L0 is equal to L at location 1. L will be a list with two things in it, the code and the airport name. So I'm going to index the thing with the code and have the contents of the dictionary be the full thing, the full name of the airport. So if I run this, the airports, we'll see it's now a dictionary. In fact, if I say the airports.keys, oh, it's a function, we see all the keys. Now we can change the get name from code function to be a lot simpler. All we do is return airport list at airport code, and that's all it's going to be. It's suddenly down to like a one-line function. So let's reload our script. Okay, and now I'm going to call get name from code. I'm going to give it YYZ again. Why not? Toronto. And the airports. It worked. Good. But look how much easier it was with the dictionary. So that's pretty cool.